Hey dear, how is this sound? You can able to track every people who enter your website, every click, every time, how much time they are scrolling your website, everything you can able to track. So how is this sound? That is cool, huh? So that is not imagination. That can be possible, and that is so much easy. And if you're working as a Google Ad expert or something for exploring something and increase your business ROI, because lots of time we're just spending money on Google Ads, but that is not to bring the result. One of my client is facing this issue. He is spending lots of money, but he's not getting conversion because when I include this setup into my client website, he able to see her website audience come, but they are not staying too much time. So that's why we set up on these tools, and after that we'll implement something her website. Then the ROI and sales and conversion is increased. So let's see how is these things we can do. So that is my website. So that is a demo website. That is full demo. Everything is demo website. Uh, Catalog. I mean everything is demo because I cannot share my real client. Okay. So what you need to do? Microsoft. So you need to search Microsoft Clarity. Okay. So I already do it for you guys for something. I will just doing this. Okay. So what I need to do? We click on the first result. Okay. So when you come to here, you just able to see. Okay. You just able to see continue with Google email or something. Then you need to come continue with Google. Okay. So what you need to do next? You need to include here your website name, then URL, and then what is need? You need to your industry, your business industry, your or your client. Okay. So I include in here. So that is too much simple. I not complicate these things. Okay, I will copy. I will go there, include in here, select that is a food and okay, restaurant. So add the project. When you new create, you just able to see. I will you just say see the interface like that. Continue with Google email something. Continue with Google. Then you are able to see like this. Create a new project. Okay, add a new project. Okay. So after that, we are able to see like this interface. Okay. So what I need to do? Okay, we go the setting section, and you need to go the setup. You can able to see here install manually. Okay, get a tracking code, and here you can see the tracking code. You need to copy. So here you can see that is code is copied. So what do you need to do? Okay, next you need to do go to the tag manager and create a new tag. Okay, and okay that is loading. Here is some internet issue, I mean network issue. Then you need to select the custom HTML. Okay, so include this and triggering all the page. Okay, and name this Microsoft Clarity. So I already do this, so that's why I not save with this again. So okay, discard the change. So here I already save it. So after that submit, because without it submit this anything changes in here, that is working in debugging, not real life. So after that, this is publishing after 2 hours or 3 hours, you getting the click or something result. Okay, so I already, so I click this. So I already create three for demo website. So here you can see my two I will include. Okay, so after that you are setting all of this, you're able to see the recording. Oh, that is loading. Okay, oh no, where is this, where is this? I want to see the click. You able to see every click, I mean every individual person, which person is scrolling your website and everything you can able to see. So here you can see, here you can see that the person on individual person, because I am on, so the I am enter the website is one device, so that's why it is one count. You are able to see every individual person. If another person is up in the website, you can able to see the second one, third one, like this. Okay, so I want person, I will enter in here. So two event is counting here, so I will click in there. Okay, so after that, every click, so where I click, how much time I'm spending in here, you can able to see. So for a Google Ad expert, for a CRO and something conversion rate optimization audit, because lots of time we just spending money in Google Ads, but that is not to bring the result. So that is too much frustrating to us. So there is tools and their setup is very helpful to them who is working in Google Ads and audit optimization. So thank you so much. See you again with the next, with something new. Bye bye. See.